Your ActivPanel LE comes equipped with a fully customizable Favorites button. To get started, tap the blue Favorites button on your ActivPanel LE screen. If you have the Favorites button set to hide, use the 5-finger gesture to bring it to your screen again. The default favorites include Open Apps, Back, Home, Chrome, and 2 additional slots. Long press on any icon to edit. Choose the app or tool you would like to add by tapping its icon from the menu. Apps and tools that are already added to the Favorites button will have a check mark. You can add Spinner, Annotate, Screen Share Receiver, Explain Everything, and Timer to your Favorites button. You can also add tools to help you quickly turn off the screen or take a screenshot. Once you've added your Promethean apps, you can drag the Favorites button anywhere on the screen, making it easy to access your Promethean favorites wherever you are in your lesson.